And good morning from Australia. It is 10 a.m. in the morning and you might be wondering why I'm starting this vlog in the middle of the road, in the middle of nowhere. Honestly, I have no clue, but since we are here 10 days, we decided it would be a good plan to rent a luxury car, a beautiful car, to take us in and road trip the Gold Coast of Australia. So, welcome, this is Juicy. Sick, right? Have you ever seen a car wrap this nice? It got juice. Okay, but quick little tour of the Juice Mobile. We have the first bed, which it's okay. We have 2 USB chargers, which is really helpful. We got storage under here. And then we have the kitchen. We have a sink, a fridge, which is not enough. We got, yeah, pans, plates and stuff. And there, up there, is a luxury penthouse. Look at that beauty. Let's go up. Genius place. Yeah. Penthouse, bro. Penthouse. But we are going to be road tripping this from Brisbane down to Sydney. So, if you want to follow the sick adventure, it's going to be lit. Hit the subscribe button and follow us. But look what an amazing place we just found it last night. We just pulled up to the place not knowing what was around. And it was good. But now, we spotted a bridge that we can maybe jump from. So we are going there. Let the Australian road trip begin! Bridge jump, let's go. Camping tip 101. Look, genius plan. Ooh. This is the bridge jump, aka our shower. So we don't have a shower in our Juice Mobile. Okay, first jump of the day, let's go. Good morning. Synchronized double backflips. That was sick. Woo! Ollie. Now it's time to pack up. We're gonna try to find a surf spot. This is gonna be our daily showers. We're gonna find a bridge to jump off. We only need shampoo though. That's kind of a problem. But I think a double backflip will just like flick away all the dirt in your hair. Yeah. You just gotta do a double backflip. But what a contrast though. Like a week ago we were living in big villas in Bali, eating in nice restaurants, and now we're 4 people crammed in one van and eating from our trunk. The contrast is real. It's crazy how what you get from country to country. Like this is actually more expensive. This van is actually more expensive per night than this villa in Bali. That's crazy. And we have arrived at Byron Bay. This is camper's paradise. You have the surf, you have nice beaches, you have parties, you have nice restaurants, and it's just the vibe here is just amazing. It's so chill. We've only been here like 10 minutes, just rolling the streets, and it's so cool here. Such a beautiful place. But we were supposed to surf today here, but the surf is terrible today, so we're gonna try again tomorrow. So we decided, let's just set up camp, buy some drinks, snacks, food, and just have a good time. Come on. Yep. Ready. And we got some groceries under $6. I'm gonna make my special pesto and pasta behind in the truck. Prepare to be amazed. It's awesome. That's how you backpack on a budget in Australia. This looks like a beautiful place to set up camp. Let's make some food. Look at that. Set up camp, beautiful camp. We've got 4 chairs, a table, a dining table now, and then the kitchen. The sun is about to go down, so we gotta make some food. I'm starving. Let's make some pasta pesto. Got a burner and a pot, pasta. But I just realized I don't have water to cook the pasta in. Okay, let's go find some water. Do you have some water, please? Where's the water at? Excuse me. Hell yeah, found a shower and water. Don't mind me. It's just a guy walking out with a pot of water. The van life, bro. The van life. Sam boys. Woo! Oh yeah. Dice those onions up. Cook that pasta for 9 minutes. Time for the pesto. Diced tomatoes. Whoops. And oniosos. Shit. And voila! We have our pasta, pesto, tomato, spinach, camp edition pasta thing. Hope it's good. Okay. Needs salt, but it's okay. Definitely needs salt. I think I'm gonna end the vlog there. We were just sitting in the grass, enjoying the good vibes here, drinking some fine wine, you know. But yeah, now I have to go back and edit this vlog until 4 or 5 in the morning. So, gotta get started with that. If you enjoyed this vlog and want to follow along this road trip, we're gonna be surfing, we're gonna be cliff jumping, we're just gonna be road tripping east coast of Australia all the way down to Sydney. So if you want to follow that, then hit the subscribe button. I hope you enjoyed. See you in the next video. Goodbye.